Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In today's video I'm going to demo you another project I created with Cloud Code. And this is not a project, I just created one feature, which is the embed component, and is with Laravel and Livewire. So I'm going to sign up first, and then if I navigate the /embed, I have created an URL for this. Now if we want to embed, we just paste the URL here and it's going to preview. So enter a URL above and the preview on embed, and supported is YouTube, Vimeo and Spotify. And for example, I have opened here the Vimeo. I'm going to copy just the URL here. We can come here and paste that URL and say preview, and yeah, it's going to preview the file from Vimeo, as you can see. Also, if I go to YouTube and just copy this one, come here and replace now with the YouTube, click the preview. Now we have the YouTube video. This is with the full URL, so YouTube come watch. If I refresh and just come here, I'm going to copy the video URL and then paste it right here. Now we have YouTube / and the ID, and if I say preview, the same thing is going to preview this one. Also for the Spotify, if you go to Spotify, I'm going to copy, for example, let's copy this, copy link the song and come here, paste that in, click the preview, and it's going to preview this one. So click preview. Okay, now let's show you the code, which I come here. I'm going to open first the web routes, and we have the route Livewire Embed, pages embed here, and you can find also in the views pages embed.plate.php. Here we have class and the HTML. Now let's see the class. First we have a string URL and then preview URL, and then the preview method. First it's going to validate the URL to be required URL and new embeddable URL, which is in the app rules embeddable URL, and it's going to work with this embed manager, which is, I'm going to show you, but it's going to check if not app embed manager class supports passing the value, is going to fail. The attribute must be a supported embed URL like YouTube, Vimeo or Spotify. Okay, so let's go again to embed plate, and it's going to validate. Then it's going to say this preview URL to be as this URL here, and computed supported providers, returning an array with YouTube, Vimeo and Spotify. We have the flag heading and text, embed preview, paste YouTube, Vimeo, Spotify URL to preview its embed. And then we have a form with the input. So this is a form and a flags button to type submit, and or submit preview, so it's going to call this method. And then we're going to show the error for the URL if we don't have a URL. So let's just say remove this preview, and yeah, we have the error. Then it's going to check if we have a preview URL. It's going to paste this Livewire Embed component, which we have here, passing the URL and also the wire key. Now let's open this embed blade Livewire component. Public string, here we have public string URL and then provider. If empty, this URL is going to return null. Otherwise, it's going to return app embed using that embed manager, resolve passing this URL. And then if this provider is going to add a div with style aspect ratio, and then the iframe with source of this provider embed URL, class allow full screen, allow autoplay, loading lazy, and title this provider name, as if the URL is going to say unsupported embed URL. Okay, now let's see. Up here we have in the app we have the embed, And then we have embed manager, what we saw earlier, and we have this resolve and also support. Resolve is going to receive the URL, which is a string, and then it's going to return the provider. It's going to make for each these providers as provider class, because here we have a protected array providers, which is an array with YouTube class, Vimeo, and Spotify. I'm going to show you right now. And it's going to make for each these providers as provider class, and if provider class detect passing the URL we have here, it's going to return new provider class passing the URL. Otherwise, it's going to return null, and also supports is going to receive the URL and it's going to return a boolean and saying that this resolve passing the URL is not equal to null. Now let's open the YouTube, Vimeo, and Spotify, and here we have providers. Spotify provider, we have a detect method receiving the URL, and it's going to return boolean pregmatch open spotify.com, embed URL pregmatch open spotify.com, track album playlist episode show type and ID, and then it's going to return https open spotify.com/embed/ the type /the ID, aspect ratio 4:1, and name Spotify. Then we have the Vimeo provider, private read-only string URL, detect receiving the URL, and pregmatchvimeo.com URL, embed URL pregmatchvimeo.com, video, this URL matches, and player vimeo.com/video/matches1, or an empty string, aspect ratio 16:9, and name Vimeo. Then we have the YouTube, the same thing. We have also the constructs provider, and here we have public function embed URL, aspect ratio, and name. Okay, so embed URL, aspect ratio, and the name. Okay friends, this is all about this video. What I wanted to show you an embed component with Livewire and Laravel, which can work with YouTube, Vimeo, and Spotify. But yeah, you can add more if you like. Now, if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and I'm going to see you in another one. All the best, and thank you very much.